Kupleju puni pibro section part ki jing tiap nam ta ki khupor Laitkam tikidon ki kam ki bade jong kanos ki balai hadu lai spa arp santri pro gede contractual te kitu ki wa ban apply sa page connect video berkut kum no van apply nam ta kini ki kam nos ki balai yakne replacement la apply na bo ka director of health service mai Mekhela Shillong invite application in standard form ya apply lamba standard form mo kade offline let apply let submit the form yung pi hapo office of director of health service Meghalaya po Shillong for the candidate who are domiciled in the state of Meghalaya for work and interview for the 325 posts of staff nurse lies pa Tylli ki post yung staff nurse kade contractual basis in fast referral unit and critical care unit for a period of 11 months initially and to be extended based on performance and need in la ban extend ru based yaga performance kindon ru district wise mo te kum ka epic jung phi kin select phi kum ka epic jung phi district wise bet phimla are ban apply haka jong ki district sajang lada omdon ba eligible lakhato district satang gata hi is garohil arp saupus is khasil sau ar not garohil khandreu riboy arp nyau south garohil khatpra south west khatpra south west khasil arp khandai West Garo Hill Life New, West Jainta Hill, Sanpui, West Khasi Hill Life Po, but Eastern West Khasi Hill Life Lightly ki post. Te baro belong life pa arp santli. Teka qualification ke depan long. Mimo qualification ma depan pass teka BSc nursing lane, general nursing and midwifery GNM from recognized institution by Indian Nursing Council. Applicant should be registered under Meghalaya Nursing Council. Register apo Meghalaya Nursing Council kasnem kade khat pradu apnyau hadu shi tarik January arjap sau teki airu ya ka relaxation hadu post name nam taki SCST of Meghalaya dan kamru ya ka work experience ko long arts name ka remuneration ka tulop shibanai kade life 4000 fix per month teka last date bade ban receive yakine kade khatlai tarik March arja arp sau dan kam application fee let submit hi hapo office jongka mention director of health service hapo laim khra namta application form jopi tahang ne mention selection of candidate will be based purely on merit and the post of the district above will be filled by the candidate belonging to the particular district tang kitu bana district in yo as declared by them in the application form in case there are no eligible candidate ada umdon taking sathap da kiwe kibana kiwe district lem komta kin yo betang kitu kibana po district hi te ba nomor la bun plat ru tekin page ru yegi mak nam ta ki nemo ki experience gi jong phi te nomor la bun kan gidit plat ginom select re baro ban wan chaka personal interview te hngel ong no preference weightage will be given to those candidate possessing the following important parameters te la ai gi marks te ka length of work experience news name and above shipo mark 5 to 6 years 7 marks 3 to 4 years 5 marks 2 years 3 marks Kibala 3 for COVID, working experience during COVID pandemic, 2 years and above 15 marks, 1 year 10 marks, 6 months 5 marks. Working experience in FRU, ICU, OTLR, PCU, SNCU, BSU and BSU 15 marks. Working experience in government institution in Meghalaya including NHM 10 marks. Total mark for personal interview is 30 marks. Tegine ki marks jong ka experience kin I marks fi yang tu but kin sa check leng ba kin experience ru ma te kan ka namta personal interview ble ka de la ka jong life mark wen final selection of the post will be subject to verification of all original document during the work interview any candidate who will not able to produce all document is found for incorruption false tum dan camera a total of 1.5 tie the post will be shortlisted as eligible candidate te kin shim nakatu ka district ka total along 1.5 ya katukan number of post kinom shim rebara taken page ket kum gini ki experience lain ki marks ber bahang ne shubo kum gini ada arp sao kin shim 1.5 tekan one shaki maybe life ho tam a nakane san pro maybe 60 plus a and thai up king 1.5 into 24 and 1.5 ta king ta kinom jit rebara kin page ket kum ka experience kum ki marks ba phi yo na katuka experience important valid document to be submitted. The document comes submit valid registration certificate under Meghalaya Nursing birth certificate or SLC admit card, shield tribe, shield caste, experience certificate minimum 2 years, voters ID namarwa can check epi mafidei naka district ayu. Thangne ada mention really incomplete application will be rejected. Lara biang document can share reject with the application form is to be submitted in the office of the director of health service Laitkam Shillong and office of the district medical and health officer Tura Shillong Baratura during office hour between 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. Hakapor long trek long karwe beji step hadu saw beji janmid. Take a date interview for a work interview kada she hadu lai 3 April 2024 at office of the director of health service Laitkam Shillong Barapo Tura bade 1st and 2nd April office of district medical and health officer Tura for Tura Central. The name of the candidate shall receive in personal interview against the date above will be intimate later in the government website. The hapo ka website jong kanega website jong kanehi tekin sapen mi kita shortlisted candidate marba om baro kinyo ban poisha ka interview la dal abun plan. The successful candidate eligible for recruitment will have to adhere to the Tor. Okay, the result will be displayed in the website. Kin sapen mi page hapo ka official website. Te tanggi nei kijing pentip. Kebelajubun.